Hello everyone, this is Rina, and today I want to share our popular cables for you. This is our luminous magnetic cables. First of all, I would like to introduce this cable for you. Many functions that you can use. First of all, if you want to go to a party and if you want to play the video and the TikTok, you can use it. Let me show you. Okay, wow, you can see it's colorful. And connect the phone. Wow, it's flowing, right? And you can choose to make some videos, as you can see. Okay, very interesting. And this is the colorful one. And another one, this is the red one. Also green. Okay, just like snakes, right? So this is our products. And you can use it to have so many interesting videos and you can play. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.